Mama, ani house and tatuka, undramu mama, ani house and tatuka, damadori chapila lagi kemadinaka, damadori chapila lagi kemadinaka, undrin muma ailo, ani kadi ponda liplo, undrin muma ailo, ani kadi ponda liplo, damadori chapila taka yakagasa hailo, damadori chapila taka yakagasa hailo.
साथ गेलो ऐकू कायलो करचे कितें कळना साथ गेलो ऐकू कायलो करचे कितें कळना सगळ्या दिकांनी सोदलो तुका तूं सोदून लेगीत मेळना तूं सोदून लेगीत मेळना म्हाका दर्या दिसलो ना म्हाका ल्हार मेळना म्हाका येवचें आसलें तुजेच कडेन म्हाका वाट समजली ना.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mother Mama, take me home, country road.
Hey, slow down. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, I'm afraid. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, man, I've been a child, but I will give myself away. Oh, once upon a time, I didn't give a damn, but now
life is a moment in space. When the dream is gone, it's a lonelier place. I guess the more than goodbye. Down inside, you know you never know why. The road is narrow and long when eyes meet eyes and the feeling is strong.
Soda Cintali, with a limorongre, Lisboa. Noro wasam tuisoy, awasa regoa. Chitlelen chitop, pures alemunom, redewa. Oshis ateli, polonte Lisboa. Despes alersa.
Mira, 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 mira. Meu tamusang lalimap sa sukrara at awara zaun giligo para kui paule Umuja mira Tamde korante neslele Ektes kushing te boslele Kuts korun maka te haslele Ekais mogan moja laslele
Jurame tuka dita neke tranquil Patiu durau ya moja tranquil Kai buri sobit fula ben fuloilha ya calzatil Gosi wisor haongal tono tatil Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace.
I got a hole in the pocket and I can't go to the fair. Ooh, I got a hole in the pocket and I can't go to the fair. I'm blue 'cause I gotta meet my baby there. But when I don't show up, what will my baby do? Ooh, when I don't show up, what will my baby do? She'll travel to the tunnel of love with somebody.
Well, beep-bop-a-doodle, she's my baby. Beep-bop-a-doodle, I don't mean to baby. Beep-bop-a-doodle, she's my baby. Beep-bop-a-doodle, I don't mean to baby. Beep-bop-a-doodle, she's my baby, love my baby, love my baby. She's the one with the red blue jeans. She's the queen of all the jeans. She's the woman that I know. She's the woman that loves me so. Bebop-a-doodle, she's my baby. Bebop-a-doodle, I don't wanna meet a baby.
यो मगा मजा जीते ही फुल्ली मोरा बखा हवे मजे है दिल दिला तो का
तुकड्या पोरी तू उडोन गेले उतो दिलेले तू विसरले निर्मळ हे गाडीस कित्याक तू कोयले दुसऱ्या लागीं तू काजार जाले
साथ गेलो ऐकूक आयलो करचे कितें कळना साथ गेलो ऐकूक आयलो करचे कितें कळना सगळ्या ठिकाणी सोदलो तुका तूं सोदून लेगीत मेळना तूं सोदून लेगीत मेळना म्हाका तुका याद आसा म्हाका तुका याद आसा त्या दिसा म्हाका तुका याद आसा
हाय कितें सांगो तुका दोळ्यान बोली तुका सासू म्हजी मेल्यार गेले त्या सुमाना हाय कितें सांगो तुका दोळ्यान बोली तुका सासू म्हजी मेल्यार गेले त्या सुमाना
Well, they get down the feet and they get down the bow. Kick off the shoes and throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night. Well, they get down the feet and they get down the bow. Kick off the shoes and throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Do you know what you're fighting for? When it's not worth the dying for, does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating?
The first contestant who has made it to the semi-finals of Kingfisher Voice of Goa, it doesn't come as a surprise. Please put your hands together for Deepak Dorado. Please put your hands together for Mr. Quintin Criado, Jennifer Fernandez, Brenson Dias, Abraham. Three prizes, the third prize, second prize and first prize in this category. Well, the third prize in this category, any guesses? Goes to Brenson Dias. Well, the second prize, please put your hands together for Jennifer Fernandez. Who gets the first prize? A cash prize of 5,000, the best performance of the evening, I'm sure you'll agree. Deepak Dorado. Congratulations, Deepak, very well done. We have 5 contestants in this category as well. The The first name that I have here in this list is Matthew Pereira, Ulfa Khwaja, Swarupa Naik, Glenis Mendonça, Deepak Dorado. We'll start off with the third prize first. Third prize in this category to Deepak Dorado. I'd like to request Mr. Vivek Chetty to please give away the prize. The second prize, please put your hands together for Swarupa Naik. And the first prize, Ulfa Khwaja.